Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python keywords, pass, return, is. So first of all, what are keywords in Python? So keywords are special words or reserved words which have predefined meaning and predefined usage in a Python program. So basically in Python, all keywords are in lowercase. Example, pass, return, is. So basically we use pass, return in functions concept, and is used for checking operation. So coming to the pass, okay. So we use pass in functions and classes. So pass keyword is used to execute nothing in a function, nothing in a class. So it is used to declare an empty class or empty function. Simply dummy class or dummy function. Example, class A without a body. Simply say pass. Define F1 function without a body. Simply say pass. So when we call F1 function, it goes to the definition of F1 function, pass. And what is printed here? It will print none because nothing is available in the F1 function. So save this program, come to the command prompt and run Python keywords example 9. So pass, it returns none. So next coming to return keyword. So it is used in functions concept. It is used to return a value or a result back to the calling function. So if you see the program with a return keyword, it goes like this. So print an empty line, return keyword, define some function with two input parameters a, b. Okay, so inside the sum function, take a local variable c and perform a plus b with the input parameters and return c, sum of a plus b. Return it back to the calling function. So this is the calling place or calling function. Generally it is a main function. So sum 11 22, so it will return 33. So 33 is stored in total, so print total. Okay, right, so here we'll print the total. Right, so put command for the remaining case, come to the prompt, run. So total is 33, we got a empty line. Next, so take one more empty line with the print is keyword. Okay, so x is 10, y is 10. So in memory, both x, y will be pointing to the same location whose value is 10. So if I print x is y, so the answer is true because both contains the same reference. A 11, B 22. So in memory, okay, A points to 11, okay, and B points to 22. So both are different locations. So A is B, false. So it is used to check whether variables are pointing to the same location or same reference or same object or not. So first case true, second case false. So get back to the prompt, run. So true, false. Right. So this is how we are supposed to work with pass keyword, return keyword, and is keyword. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.